In this problem, we're given the equation 3y is equal to 4x. What we're going to be doing is writing this equation in slope-intercept form, finding the slope and y-intercept, and then using the slope and the y-intercept to graph. Let's go ahead and get started. To put this in slope-intercept form, I do need to solve for y. How I'm going to do that is show the inverse operation of 3 times y by just dividing both sides by 3. So on the left side, I'm going to divide by 3, and whatever I do to one side of the equation sign to balance it, I have to also do to the other. So I'm going to also divide the right side by 3. So my slope-intercept form will be y is equal to 4 over 3x. You could also write it as y is equal to 4 over 3x plus 0. You do not want to change 4/3 or 4 over 3 into a mixed fraction, because whenever we talk about slope, again, we want to clearly see a rise over run. So that's why we are seeing a lot of improper fractions here. For the slope, we're going to write 4/3 or 4 over 3, and the y-intercept is 0 because there's no constant number by itself. So we'll just interpret that as 0. So first I'm going to go ahead and plot my y-intercept at 0. And then I'm going to show my rise over run. So it says 4/3. That means I'm going to rise 4 and run 3. So that's what this looks like. I'm going to go back to where I am for 0, 0 on the coordinate plane. I'm going to rise 4 and then run 3. So I could just go up 4 and to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. And here's my new point. To make another point on the left side of the y-intercept, I'm just going to do the same rise over run, but instead of rising 4, I'm going to do the opposite, which I'll do would be falling 4. And then instead of running 3 to the right, I'm going to run 3 to the left. So here's my other point on the left side. Once you have all your points, you can take a straight edge and make your line.